Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a real gem of the landscaping world, the Dwarf Japanese Garden Juniper. And here's a fun fact to start us off with. This plant has been a staple in Japanese bonsai art for centuries. Its low spreading branches and dense foliage make it one of the most popular junipers for bonsai training. You've probably seen it shaped into miniature trees or sweeping landscapes on a bonsai display table. This juniper is native to southern Japan. In its natural form, it creeps along the ground, hugging slopes and rocky areas, where it acts as a natural erosion controller. This cultivar was bred for its compact form, making it especially prized in gardens all around the world. It found its way into the Western landscaping in the early 20th century, and ever since has been used in rock gardens, bonsai collections, and as ground cover. So what does the dwarf Japanese garden juniper look like? It's a low-growing evergreen shrub, usually reaching about 6 to 12 inches tall, but spreading 3 to 6 feet wide over time. The foliage is needle-like, dense, and comes in striking blue-green color that keeps its vibrancy year-round. The branches grow outward in a graceful, prostrate manner, creating that cascading look that hugs the ground or spills gently over rocks. One of the reasons gardeners love this plant is that it's incredibly hardy and low maintenance. It thrives in full sun. The more light, the better color and the density. It prefers well-drained soil and, once established, is very drought tolerant. Overwatering or soggy soil is the quickest way to stress it out, so think sandy or rocky soil rather than clay. It's also cold hardy down in USDA Zone 4, making it perfect for a wide range of climates. Pruning is minimum, just remove dead tips or shape it slightly if you're training it for bonsai or edging. In the garden, this juniper works beautifully as a ground cover, erosion control on slopes, or as a border around pathways and rock gardens. It pairs nicely with ornamental grasses, sedums, and other drought-tolerant perennials, and of course, its most famous use in bonsai. Its flexible branches and slow growth make it a favorite for both beginners and masters of the art. While you won't be eating Juniper foliage, it plays an important role in the landscape. Its dense growth provides shelter for small birds and beneficial insects. Like many evergreens, it helps keep green color and structure in the garden year-round, which is important for biodiversity. Although the berries of some Juniper species are used in cooking and flavoring, like gin making, if you didn't know, the dwarf Japanese garden Juniper isn't used that way. Its value lies more in aesthetic and cultural traditions, especially in Japanese landscaping and bonsai, where it symbolizes strength, endurance, and harmony within nature. So whether you want a tough and beautiful ground cover, a striking addition to your rock garden, or a classic bonsai specimen, the dwarf Japanese garden juniper delivers on all fronts. It's low maintenance, evergreen, and brings year-round structure to your outdoor spaces. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles.